We are making these tofu cutlets, which make a delicious and healthy snack. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. First, in a large bowl, crumble up the tofu by hand. Then add in the boiled potato and mash it in as well and make sure it is all uniform. Then add in all the other ingredients, so that is the onion, the green chilies, rava, red chili powder, salt to taste, Maggi magic cube, which is optional but adds a lot of flavor, tomato sauce, and tomato chili sauce. And then mix this well by hand until it all comes together and is uniform. Your cutlet mixture is ready, and then you're going to just form cutlets using your hands. I like to form smaller cutlets so that they make a nice bite-sized snack. And then place them on a plate. Repeat until you have more cutlets. You can also store them in the refrigerator until they are ready to grill. When grilling them, place them on a non-stick oven-safe tray, or you can also grill them on the stove top in a non-stick pan with a little bit of oil. And then grill them for 10 minutes on each side. So after 10 minutes, you're going to flip them and then again grill for another 10 minutes. You may need to cook them for lesser time if you're using lesser cutlets. If grilling them on the stovetop, they should only take about 5 minutes each side on medium flame. And that's it, your tofu cutlets are ready to be served. These required zero oil because I used a non-stick tray, but they are still so crispy on the outside and soft on the middle and so full of flavor. Even if you do not like tofu, I'm sure you will love these. I hope you like this recipe, subscribe for more, and I will see you soon. Bye!